Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can search for work items or issues within your Jira site. So let us dive into it. Alright guys, so head over to your Jira site and there are two ways how you can do this. So the first option would be to use the search bar here at the top. Simply click into it and you can access the search bar from wherever you like, be it from a project or when you're inside a dashboard or a work item. Simply click into that search bar here, select Jira here. And after that, type in your search query, like for example, the title or the description or summary of a work item. And after that, you will see, for instance, that list of search entries that may match or fit your search query here at the top. You may use also these keys, for example, for projects or for work items within your search here at the top. Simply type in, I don't know, that key, for instance, and after that, you will see all work items listed under that key here. And option number two, guys, would be to simply access the overview or list of all ongoing work items within your Jira site. You may do that by expanding the filters tab here on the left panel. Click into that arrow icon. And after that, select search work items. And here you will see a list of all work items that are currently ongoing or that have been completed, with the status here to the right, the assignee, the creation date, and so on and so forth, guys. So you can use that mini search bar here too to filter out your search results even more, and that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.